How to create a free doctor profile in DocIndia? Go to docindia.org and click Login/sign up. Sign up as a doctor. Enter your basic details: name, mobile number, email, and password. Click Sign Up and verify the OTP sent to your phone. Once verified, you'll be taken to the personal information page. Fill in details like salutation, gender, and date of birth. Click Continue, then add your complete address and submit. If you've used DocIndia before, you can search and claim your existing profile. If you're new, select Create New Profile to move ahead. Next, choose your primary specialization and add additional ones if needed. Then fill in your education details, your degree, institute, and study period. Click Save and Continue. If you offer telehealth only, choose that option and enter your city and consultation fee. If you have a clinic, enter the clinic name, address, practice type, and fees. Click Save to proceed. Read and accept the terms and conditions, add your signature, and continue. Then set your working hours, consultation duration, and the days you're available. Next, add your work experience if you have any, or skip the section. Then write a short About Me, your designation, and a brief professional introduction. When all required sections are complete, click Request for verification. Upload 2 ID proofs, 1 government ID, and 1 medical degree certificate. Watermarked documents are okay. We use them only for verification, and max size is 2 megabytes per file. Then click Submit to proceed. Your profile has now been created. You'll see your doctor dashboard, and verification will be completed shortly. Thank you for joining DocIndia.